You don't need to wait for Santa to give you a gift at Christmas. We're here all year long. You should give yourself a gift and make your home beautiful. Give us a call, Classic Improvement Products.
Call us at 866-567-0400 or find us on our website at www.chiproducts.com.
Yay!